Hey, Mr. G here, and giving you a quick rundown on what I'm calling it is Rhythm Counting 101. This is sort of a review as well as the starting video of possible future videos for counting more complex meters. For right now, we're starting off very basic, 4/4 time, and something you'll see a lot of, especially in orchestra. And I have just two different rhythms that are on the board. I have quarter notes and I have half notes. And it's gonna be really important that we know how to actually count this stuff, because in my opinion, if you can understand the concepts in these 5 measures, you can actually apply those concepts to other more complex rhythms like 8th notes and even 16th notes if you understand the placement of these basic rhythms right here. So the very first thing is, remember, is that we're in 4/4 time, so that means 4 beats in a measure, and the quarter note gets the beat. So the very first measure, we have 4 beats right there, and we simply count it as, if you don't recall, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Simple enough, right? The next measure, we have 2 half notes. Really important that, yes, the first half note's on beat 1, and the second half note is on beat 3. So we have this gap in between the actual rhythms of where this half note is extending to that full value. So the way we count it is we actually say 1, but we actually hold out 1. We go 1 all the way into the next beat like that. So there's 2 ways you can mark it. I'll have students actually draw a dash like that, which is fine. The other way that you could do it is put a parenthetical mark like this to remind yourself that beat 2 is existing inside of beat 1 and beat 3, or in between beat 1 and beat 3. That's where beat 2 is. However you want to do it is up to you. The dash is one easy motion, so why not? And so we count this measure 1, 3, and we're into the next measure like that. So same deal here. We go ahead and draw that through. Now, we're moving into the next measure where we're taking a combination of quarter notes and half notes within 4/4 time. The very first measure that we have is 2 quarter notes and a half note, so simply put 1, 2, 3. We hold out beat 3 for a long time because it's worth 2 full beats inside. So, we only have 2 more measures to go, actually, which is really convenient because within this realm, this is all the possible combinations of quarter notes and half notes mixed together within 4/4 time. And some of you smart people are going, wait, what about rests? We're not there yet. So this is simply just, if we could fill the whole measure with quarter notes and half notes, this is all your possible combinations that we can actually do. So over here, we have a half note out on beat 1, and let's go ahead and draw our dash in, and we are gonna go 1, this should be beat 3, and we have beat 4 right there. The last measure, quarter note, half quarter. Make sure that we start once again, we're on beat 1, we're on beat 2 here for that half note, but that half note is long, extends here, and here is beat 4. So that is how we actually count all 5 of these measures, and I'll go ahead and count them all straight down, which I'll have you do in class as well, and also mixing these measures up all together so that you can actually recognize and count those measures individually, and also within a context of a more like an actual piece of music that we play where we're going to see any number of combinations come our way. So if this is your quarter note right here, I'll count you off. Ready? And it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4. That is how we count all these measures, and this is Rhythm Counting 101.